Hey guys, it's your girl Tineké Iman and I'm back with another video. So today's look is this nice blue eyeshadow which you guys can wear for New Year's Eve. So if you want to know how I got this look, you know, keep watching. The girl was at 100 subscribers. Hey, that might seem like a little, but to me it's a lot. Like, we got there, and I just want to thank all of you for, if you are watching and you're subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you told your friends, your family, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because I know my girls were doing their job. They were on job. Rihanna, Sabrina, you were on job. So yeah, love you guys. Here's a quick video from me at Christmas with my family when we found out I made it to 100 subscribers. So, hey guys, so Vlogmas Day 25, and I got to 100. What you saying? I finally got to 100 subscribers. So hi YouTube guys, you know, subscribe. We still the gang. We haven't Christmas.
Subscribe, Tineké Iman. Subscribe.
Oh, listen, I need Tineké at 5,000 subscribers by the end of January. Don't mess about it. No. Put on your notifications, subscribe, all that, yeah. Don't mess about. This is the biggest YouTube channel coming, yeah. Come on, boo.
If you don't subscribe, did you?
Guys, this is a quick video to say Merry Christmas. Thank you for my 100 subscribers, and we're just gonna go up and beyond from here. Love you. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and I primed my face because that's all the same. So what I'm going to use for my transition colour is from my Soph X palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use chocolate orange, so this one here. I'm going to use that as my transition colour and just put it into my crease. Because I'm going to go for a blue look, I'm going to, you know, mash these nails of mine. So this is the BH Cosmetics 28 colour smoky eyeshadow palette. I don't know what name this is. I don't know what the names of the shadows, but I'm gonna use this blue one right here just as a base. This one has a lot of fallout and kickback, so that's why I do my eyeshadow first, because otherwise it just gets everywhere. And so put this onto my lid. So it's very pigmented because that was just from one swipe. So from my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, I'm going to be using Midnight Bolt, which is this one here, just to add some nice glitter. And to get the glitter to show up, I'm going to use my Fix Plus and wet it on a flat brush. These are just from Amazon. So it's a flat eyeshadow brush. Just going to wet it a bit. Put it into Midnight Bolt. And then I just pat this on my lid. I don't know if you can see that. But you can see the nice shimmer that's coming out from there. So what I'm going to do next is go into another Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is called the Reloaded palette. And I'm just going to use this sparkly black one right here with a fluffy brush. And just to pull it onto the outer corner of my eye. And I just like to wing it up. So it creates like a wing illusion without using eyeliner. And then I'm going to go back into my Soph palette and get my transition colour again, just to blend that in, literally just like so. And that's kind of my eyeshadow look. Now once I've finished the rest of my face, then I'm going to do an inner corner highlight. But you know, I like to do blue, just, you know, match your girl's nails. So I'm going to do my other eye and then do my rest of my face. So moving on to my face, for foundation lately I've been liking using Fenty and Maybelline mixed together. So in my Fenty I am in the colour 350, if I can even open it up, there we go. So I'm in the colour 350. In my Maybelline I'm actually as well in the colour 350, even though they look like two different colours, which they are. This gives me a little bit of bronze, and this is actually my colour. 2 pumps, actually 3 pumps of the Fenty and 2 pumps of the Maybelline, and then with my damp beauty blender and just, you know, blend it all in. Okay, right now I know I look a little bit light, but once my concealer and my contours on, you know, it gonna look good. So Elegant Colour Form for my concealer, and you can clean up your foundation, your eyeshadow with this as well. Draw a line like that. And that's literally, you know, my face. And then the same beauty blend I used for my foundation, I just, you know, blend it in. I let under my eye dry down a little bit because it blends out really nice. A contour, I just use Chestnut, LA Girl again. I'm gonna do my under eye. And then I'll just use a different blending sponge just to blend out my forehead. If you wanna, you know, make your contour really sharp, you can just draw a line like this with your concealer. Also, if you make a mistake with your contour, you can clean it up just like that. And now to set my face, I mix my Laura Mercier and my Makeup Revolution banana powder. Mix those two together just like that. And then I'll just mix it a little bit using my Fenty Beauty sponge. Fluffy brush. To set anything that you use a cream for, you have to set up so it doesn't move. And I'll let my under eye just sit a little bit because that's where I get oily. While I just set the rest of my face, so I just use my Laura Mercier powder. Tap some off. Like this powder off. Middle, after I've set my face, I like to just put setting spray. So that's my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. So after I've set my face in between, I like to use my Sleek makeup. Yep, I've had it for a little while, it's a bit dirty. This is my contour and blush palette, medium 374. And I just like to use the bronzer, this one, the bronzer from it, just to bronze my face a little bit. I'll put some lashes on, you know, excuse the glue because obviously I use them. But these are from Brii Bold lashes. I'll have the name and all the links in the description, so make sure you go to Brii Bold, launching next year. Well, technically in a couple of weeks because it's launching in January or around February time. So get you some Brii Bold lashes, support your girl, support my girl Sabrina. But I'm going to put my lashes on off camera because you don't want to see me struggle to put lashes on. Like, the struggle is real with me and lashes because my eyelashes are so curly. So, I'll be back. These lashes are from Brii Bold Lashes. They're actually called Millicent Lashes. She just texted me. Yeah, so they're Millicent Lashes. So, you better get them when they drop in a couple of weeks. They're coming real soon. So, go support black businesses. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to continue with my eyeshadow. So I'm going to go back to my eyeshadow, but I'm just going to put it in my waterline. Same Fenty Beauty palette and the same colour, that Midnight Bolt colour. I literally just put it in my waterline. Makes it smoky and brings the whole eye together. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use my Fix Plus spray again. And this time, in the Fenty palette, I'm going to use Cosmic Ocean, which is this one right here. So use a bit of Cosmic Ocean and put that right in my inner corner, like that. You know, just brightens up your eye, brightens up your day, brightens up your eye. Girl, we popping, we popping. And then I'm gonna use my Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Highlight I'm going to use is from Makeup Revolution. Okay, and this is just a pressed highlighter. Golden Opportunity, you know. if I can even open it with these damn nails. So, my highlight brush is, you know, it's a big ghetto right now. I'm just gonna pop that on my cheekbone. Just gonna do, you know, just a little bit because the focus is more the eyes. And we can just do a little bit on the forehead. I've been really into blush lately, so I got my Morphe palette. This is the 8C Cool Pro blush palette. And look at these blushes. But today we are gonna be using Queen, cause we queens out here, don't ever forget that. So we're gonna be using Queen, which is this one. I'm gonna put this on. You need a little bit. Just make it a little bit rosy. And then for my lips, I'm gonna use this. This is from e.l.f. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the lip plumping gloss. Like that. Nice and simple, because again, I just want to look at the eyes. You could put on a lip liner with this if you wanted to, but I don't feel like it today. And then we get her Morphe setting spray, continuous setting spray, and just let that sit. And this is the finished look. So let me just go change my top, take my, you know, sort my hair out, and we'll be back. And it's the finished look. So as you can see, you know, blue sweater, blue nose, blue eyes. We got it going on. We matching or whatever. Oh, thumbnail. I hope you enjoyed this little quick makeup routine with the eyes. You know, your girl's coming up. Again, I'm on 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, but we're not gonna stop there. So let's keep telling your friends, telling your family, let's subscribe. Come on, if you watch my videos like more than 3 times, check that you're subscribed, because you keep coming back and you're gonna keep coming back. So just subscribe. Like, why not? So I'm gonna go back to, you know, eating my Nutella. You know, Nutella, sponsor your girl. Cause what it do. And you're gonna watch. Sorry. And now you're gonna watch my next video. So next video right there. Subscribe right there. Peace.